We come into this world as wairua, and we're born into te ao marama, but we also leave as wairua when we get to an age where we pass on and we leave as wairua. So no matter where you walk in life, you carry wairua with you. We've all got wairua, but not many of us feed our wairua. Not many of us nourish our wairua. Not many of us put our wairua to sleep, to rest, because we've drawn all the energy from our wairua. And so karakia does that, waiata does that, being in love does that, boosts the energy of your wairua. You can do that with karakia, you can do that with wai, you can do that with motiatea, through waiata, you can do that through humour, through kata, you can do it a lot. What I was taught from some great kuia of mine is that you can always re-energise no matter where you are. How do I take care of my wairua? I wake up in the morning, say you're going to have a beautiful day. That's my karakia. My taonga, last night I put my taonga out in rākau nui so the hine marama could re-energise my taonga. That's how I take care of myself. The laughter of mokopuna, the laughter of children, the hugs from your family, that's how you take care of wairua. You walk out onto my balcony, I see my te motu tapu a Tenirau, which is our sacred island. That's how I take care of my wairua. We look around to Tamanui te rā, to marama, to the manu, to the tīrairaka. That's how I take care of wairua.